How to replace sticky inner door pull handles on BMW 3 Series F30, F31, F34 F32 F33 F36, 2011 to 2019, in 13 easy steps. So, if can see, our driver's door handle is in very bad condition and needs replacement. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. This is the new inner door handle that you can find it below in the video description. It looks very good and it doesn't have that sticky thing on it. It comes with 4 bolts for installing the new handle. You can find interior door handle for BMW 3 Series below in the video description. Required tools: trim tool, T20-bit Torx, drill or cutter in a twist drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver. First, look for the hole from the handle to insert a trim tool to remove the handle cover. Start with removing the plastic cover from the inner door handle using a trim tool to protect the surfaces. To remove it, insert the trim tool through that small hole from the door handle and press on the metal clip inside. Remove those 2 T20 Torx bolts. Unclip the inner door starting from the lower side. Remove the cables and the harnesses from the inner door panel. Remove the main window control switch and disconnect the cables. To remove it more easily, you have to insert a flat blade screwdriver inside and press on that clamp to pop it out. If you can already see, the clamp from our main window control switch is missing. Remove the cables from the inner door panel. Six. Use a drill and a larger twist drill bit, greater than 8 mm, to remove those 4 melted plastic rivets from the inner door handle. Seven. Remove the inner door handle. Install those metal clips and tabs from the old handle to the new handle. 8. Install the new handle back on the inner door panel and tighten those 4 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. 9. Connect all the harnesses back on the inner door panel. Check if you have all the clips on the inner door panel. If you didn't have it, take it from the door and install it back on the door panel. (10) Install the inner door panel back in place. (11) Connect the cables from the main window control switch and install it back. (12) Install those two T20 Torx bolts back in the door handle. (13) Install the handle cover back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.